Hello, everyone. It's Jared Havins here, your financial freedom strategist and CEO of Credilife. I am so excited. I have Shirley on today. Shirley is a part of our success team here at Credilife, and she actively works with clients in a support capacity. And so I just wanted to bring her on. We could just introduce her to everybody and really just talk a little bit more about what she does every day. So Shirley, hey, thanks for being on.
You bet. So exciting.
And I might as well say this because people are going to ask when they see your name. I know because I've been asked. They're like, Shirley Havins, is that your wife? And I'm like, that's my mom. So yeah, and for everyone that knows it, she's my mom. She's awesome, and the reason why we're a growing company. We have a lot of people, and Shirley comes from a very strong background in HR, working with companies, helping growing companies. And I had the pleasure of her accepting being able to come and work with me. So it's one of those things that it's a family affair, but at the same time, it's professional, and she brings some amazing stuff. And so I wanted to ask you, Shirley, because I know you talk about this a lot. What, kind of just a quick rundown. What would you say your day is like at Credilife? What are the type of stuff that you do?
Oh, it's a full day of talking to about 40 to 50 clients a day and just helping them stay on course, follow the program, what the program means, what each step is doing. And then we just look at that progress and I celebrate that progress with them. And every day is different. Every client is different, but it's super rewarding. I love it.
That's awesome. We're very similar that way. That's another reason why I love working together, because we are both positive, energetic people,
People.
Oh yeah.
Persons.
And
Yeah.
that's what people need that are working with us, right? Wouldn't you agree? It's like
Right.
they need someone they can connect with to realize they're not just a number. It's like, yes, we're a company, yes, this is a paid program, but we care, right?
Oh,
I mean, what would you say?
absolutely, we care. Oh, 100% we care. We truly understand where everyone is at. It's very personal. We know that they're sharing how they handle their finances, their account management, and it gets very personal. But that's the part I love because that's the way we really build relationships. And even when they leave the program, they're graduated, they still stay in touch. It's that close, and we love it.
Yeah, it is really cool. I was going to ask you, I've been asking everybody this in the company. I love this question. What would you say is your favorite part about working with Credilife? What stands out to you? What do you look forward to each day? Or what leaves you the most fulfilled?
Talking with the clients. Absolutely. 100%. We have a great team though. I love our team and we all have like minds and we work super well together, but it's truly honestly connecting with each client and just helping them and seeing them progress further and further
Yeah.
along the way. And I just love that journey with them. And I get to be part of that. And it's hard to explain the reward and the joy you feel. But when you hear the client's excitement and their belief that, you know what, I'm going to go into that dealer and know I'm going to get a great interest rate. I'm going to get my car. I've never got a new car. And just seeing their joy, you just feel so proud. And that's just makes it worth it right there.
Yeah, I agree. I am I'm right there with you. That's
I know.
I love those feelings. It's that's one thing that it's like the coaching side of things. And, I wanted to bring this up too. So whoever's watching and listening to this, it's like, do you understand the different things that we do and the value add, that we bring to our clients? One of those
Yeah.
is our success coaching team, like Shirley, like Chaz, like Tyler, whereas they're experts, they are trained, and they're available on purpose, because there's a lot of times clients have questions. You know what I mean? Yeah, you're ready for the phone call. You can call in, you can email support at yourcredilife.com. You can add a note into your client online dashboard, and we will receive that. And if there's ever time that, hey, maybe we just need to get on a phone call, we do it. So it's I think it's important to bring that up because there are times clients they're not familiar or know that they have all that at their disposal, but you
Right.
do. You can call us, you can text us, you can email us, and you can hit up your portal. And we've done this so that way all communication lines are open to you. You know, it is a two-way street, right? I mean, the client, we want you to be engaged. When you're engaged and then you're working with our team so you can stay the course, stay motivated, success goes up, right? That's what we want to see from all of our clients.
Yes, everyone. Success. They all can reach it.
Yep, I agree. I love it. Well, this was
Me
really
too.
fun, Shirley, Mom.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
I really
Yes.
appreciate it. And
Thanks. And
this
hi
was
to all
awesome.
you clients.
Whoop, whoop. All right.
All right.
Boom.
Bye.